All right. So, what do I do first? What's the most important part to this, to finding the point? We want to find the equation that goes through a point that's parallel to this equation. So, what do I need to write an equation? What's the two things I need to write an equation?
Y equals...
Well, the first thing I really want to use is y equals mx plus b. Good. Okay? But what are the two things I need to plug in to y equals mx plus b in order to write the new equation? So two very important things that I need. Think of it. What are the two letters that you do not see right here? What are the two letters you do not see in this equation right here? M and B. So you need M and B to write an equation. Does that make sense? So as long as we can get M and B, we're good. So the first step is, if y equals mx plus b, right? Then what is M stand for? What is M? What does it mean? Slope. Okay? So M is the slope. And in this case, the slope is equal to what? 1/2. Okay? So what is the parallel slope? What would the parallel slope be? So you have to remember what parallel slopes are. So are parallel slopes the same or is it opposite? Same. Okay? So perpendiculars are opposites, right? But parallels are the same. So what would the parallel slope be? If the original slope is 1/2.
That'd be 1/2.
Yeah, simple. Okay? So the new slope is 1/2. And we want to use this slope to go through this point. Right? So this point is really x and y. Does that make sense? And so now we're going to plug it into, what's y?
-1.
What's m?
1/2.
What's x? And what's b? We don't know, because that's what we're trying to figure out, right? Okay, good. We're getting it. We're starting to learn it, right? All right, so now, isn't this -2/1 then?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so does 2 go into 2?
Yeah.
2 goes into -2? Yeah. How many times? How many times does 2 go into -2?
Once.
Close.
0. 1.
Not 1.
I don't know. 2.
-1.
Stupid.
I know. You have, I mean, these negatives become very important. Okay? So now I got -1 equals -1 plus b. Now how do I solve?
Minus. Plus.
Yes. So what do I get?
2. Oh.
0 equals 0.
So b equals 0. So I have b, I have m, I know y equals mx plus b, so y equals x. What's m?
0. B.
1/2.
What's b?
0.
I can't see.
Okay?
Oh, damn, time to go away.
Yeah, Dan, you get out of the way.
Heard that before.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you, Daniel, son.
All right. So, we good? That's it. Oh, we could graph it, right?
Yep.
Just to prove we could graph the two of them. We could graph the first equation in orange, right? So that would be minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 1 over 1. Okay?
There you go.
And then the second equation in blue,
What was it like?
that's from right here, and it'd be up 1 over 1. And they are parallel, right? Oh wait, it's not up 1 over 1. It's up 1 over 2. What am I tripping on? Whoop.
Pay attention that you were just eating.
Need to pay attention to what I'm doing. Up 1 over 2 is 1/2, right? Rise over run, 1/2. And then,
Same.
but still it's up 1 over 2. The slopes are the same, so these have to be parallel. Okay? One's going through the origin. That's why B is 0. The other one goes through -4, and that's why B is -4. And the easier it gets to graph this, the quicker all of this will become.